Hey everybody, it's Mickey back with another video, and today a little bit of a change of pace. I'm going to look at some new movie trailers that are coming out. Here's an interesting one filmed in Tokyo, which looks pretty good, and then we got another new one in space. This, I guess it's a new Christopher Nolan Interstellar, the next chapter, which I guess is going to come out at some point the summer of 2025, but this is like a first look, and I thought, you know, for artificial intelligence people, this looks pretty cool, right? There's a spaceship, and I guess it's trying to go into the spaceship, but yeah, no, all of that's a bunch of BS. None of those videos are actually real. It's all fake. It's all artificial intelligence. It's all OpenAI. That's right, because OpenAI, as you've seen, just came out with their new text-to-video generator called Sora. And as you can see, it's freaking insane. And they even go on to say all the videos you see there are made directly by Sora without any modification. Here are a few more examples if you're not convinced how great this is. I mean, that looks right from a drone. No, that's going to pass the smell test every single time. Another one, look at that. That looks, I mean, if you're a drone operator, you are terrified because that looks amazing. I mean, they say they did this. I don't know. Apparently they did, but all this stuff looks absolutely incredible. What OpenAI has announced, it's absolutely breathtaking. The realism is amazing, and kudos to them. I mean, this looks incredible. You know, there are some other competitors in this space, but nothing to this level. Nothing to this quality. Here's one more. I mean, this is incredible. A woman riding on the train through neighborhoods in Tokyo. I've never been there, but I mean, you can see her reflection in the window. This looks about as real as anything you're going to see. And again, one more. This is a Western video that was created by OpenAI, created by their new app called Sora, and it's just absolutely stunning how lifelike and real it looks. I mean, this looks right from the movie theaters. So again, an unbelievable new app that has just been announced a few days ago. And if we go back to the woman we saw walking down the street, I mean, look how easy this is. With a simple prompt, it's not so simple, but a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, black boots, carries a black purse, wears sunglasses, red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. And that's what you get. You get a minute of her walking down the street. Here's that Western. Guess how many words it took to create this Western video? I count 8. You can do the counting as well. It's 8. 8 words, historical footage of California during the gold rush, and you get a 25-second clip that looks like that. That is absolutely remarkable. And there's more videos. Here's another one of a Jeep cruising down the side of a mountain on a pathway. Again, you can read the prompt. Okay, this is a little more in-depth prompt, but it's just befuddling how incredible this is. This is like a video game. So yeah, there's so many use cases for this. If you go to OpenAI Twitter's account, they explain it a little more. Sora can create videos up to 60 seconds featuring highly detailed scenes, complex camera motion, and multiple characters with vibrant emotions. And here's what they put on their social media just a couple days ago. Here's the prompt: beautiful snowy Tokyo. Camera moves through the bustling city streets, following several people enjoying the beautiful snowy weather and shopping at nearby stalls. Gorgeous sakura petals are flying throughout, and as you can see, the result is absolutely incredible. The detail, the motion, the cinematography, it's all right up there with movie quality, and this just came out. We're not 10 years down the road. We're not 20 years. This is like 48 hours. So the big question is, I know many of you want to know, how do we play with this thing? How do I make my own movies? How do I create my own advertisements? How do I do this for my business or my YouTube channel or my friends and family? Well, as you can read, Sora is becoming available to red teamers to assess critical areas for harm or risks. We are also granting access to a number of visual artists, designers, and filmmakers to gain feedback on how to advance the model to be the most helpful for creative professionals. So OpenAI is just basically giving us a look into the future of what is to come, when this will be available for public consumption. I would imagine at some point this year, obviously not in the next month or so, but when this comes out, yeah, I just again, just look at these images. It's going to be pretty crazy once this does get released to the public. Just imagine the limitless things you can do, things you can create. I don't know how long it takes to render, but I mean, just imagine the power of this. Okay, not just right now, not just in 4 months or 6 months. You know, just think about what this will be like in 2-3 years, where you would type in 8 words and you could potentially get not just, I think this is what, 20 seconds or so, 25 seconds, but you could get like an hour. You could create TV shows, you create movies, create 30-second advertisements that run on the Super Bowl. But yeah, for now though, OpenAI has said that this only works, I believe it's for 60 seconds or so. That's their limit right now, but again, in a few years that will certainly change. So this is really exciting stuff. It's definitely a game changer for the AI industry, for the video or text to video segment. That this is just insane. We've seen others do it, but I haven't seen it at this level of detail and just the colors and the motion and the realism. It's this is absolutely off the charts. So that's Sora, and that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, please hit that subscribe button for more AI content and be sure to give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.